as humanity forgets what it means to be free, and the ability to live is tested every day, every minute, every second. Any cycle with a gun and a plan shoots his brother in the head for his land, to pillage every villager in guise of doing good, to rape their fatherland and threaten their livelihood, to deforest, pollute and ruin all they cherish, till the once natural beauty of their landscapes perish. Just hear my cries as I'm down on my knees. Tell me why no country intervenes in the Tibetans' plight, to preserve human rights as they stand and they fight at the cost of their lives. My heart's aching, breaking, I'm begging you please, just tell me why no country intervenes. Look me in the eyes and try to explain it, why no free nation steps up to contain this. Just tell me why no Western country intervenes. Make me understand what this all means. Where's the US, UN, India and all others? There's a massacre going on, come on, God help us. Forget your diplomatic ties and focus on what matters, like saving lives. Come on guys, where's the US? Where's the UN? Where's India? Tell me why.